That one here a waste of peeling. By the time you peel this, it done. Bare skin.
What can you grow in your backyard? This week on Market Bag, I'm meeting one young lady who has turned her backyard into a thriving farm. Joining me is Shamar Henry. Hi, Shamar! Ready to shop?
Of course.
Let's go! So Shamar, are you a regular shopper?
Yes, I am. I try to come to the market probably once per month. But since I've started my farm, I don't really come to the market as often. So I have a hydroponic farm where I farm lettuce, basil, and arugula. So I don't really come as often because I start to eat a lot more of what I plant.
And with the drought and increase in food costs, how has that affected your business?
Because it's a hydroponic farm, which means we collect the water at once and the water rotates in the system, the drought hasn't really impacted us very much. But the increase in food costs has affected us like it affects everybody in Sydney, but not a lot because, as I said, I eat a lot of what I grow on my own.
Get into hydroponic farming?
Funnily enough, I just wanted to start to grow things in my backyard, but I didn't have the space. So I decided to try a starter unit where it was just a tabletop grow. I put some lettuce and some scallion in there and I realized that it worked. And then after that, so right after Hurricane Melissa, we recognized that quite a lot of farms were down and my little starter unit still survived. So after that, that kind of gave us the courage to, go all in, because this type of farming seems to be climate resilient. Because now that they have droughts, the cost of our lettuce doesn't go up just because none of our external factors have been changed. So we still have the water, we still have the nutrients. We don't rely on the rain or anything, so that's why that's what got us interested, and that's why we're keeping on expanding the product, because I think it's a climate resilient solution. So after you set up the system, get your pipes and get the system working, after that it's kind of like smooth sailing.
With food prices on the rise, like lettuce for $1,400
and hot pepper for $600 a pound,
now might actually be a good time to turn to hydroponic farming. You have heard from Shamar, you don't need a lot of space and it's climate resilient. Shamar, thank you for joining us on Market Bag.
Thank you so much for having me.
Until next time, bye!